Igama lami uBongani Inkosi, ngi-PR Councillor yase Ward 6, Ward 8 nase Ward 9. Namhlanje sinomhlangano la especially wabantu abadala, abantu abanezindlu ezingenamawili, izindlu ezingenama letter of authority, ezinye izindlu sezithengisiwe nokuthengiswa, ezinye abantu basahlala kuzo ngokuthi umphakathi uzamile ukuthi ubavikele. Lezo zindlu mawuhamba ethembisa zozibona zibhalwe not for sale, ngoba sebaba issuwe inokhuzana i-letter of eviction. So umphakathi wabavikela ukuthi bahlale labo but enebuningi ubugebengu bezindlu ke ethembisa. Ningi umuntu uthi ahleli endlini athole ukuthi ke sowuthola i-sheriff seyamkhipha endlini, thole ukuthi i-title deed seyibizwa ngomunye, okunye kunabantu othola ukuthi ke abazali abasekho bashonile, abantwana bakhona umzali washona angashiyanga wili, angazange letter of authority, thola ukuthi nje abantwana izindlu abomalume bayafika basithengisa. Nje kulomhlangano la sikhona kukhona umntwana abazali bakhe bashona, umalume ngathi ubambise ngayo indlu yakhe, umzali wakhe ukhona la. So yizo izinto esizodila ngazo la, i-letter of authority, i-executorship ne-will. Kubalekile thina njengabantu abamnyama sometimes, especially abantu abadala, mawuthi umuntu akenze i-will ubone ngathi sengizoshona bese bayishiya kanjalo inokhozana ilento, indlu isale ingenamuntu bese bayafika. Kukhona nama-officials bebasho khona manje la kulabantu abakhona la, kukhona nama-officials nawa-involved, nama-lawyers are-involved, nabantu abaselona abaku-deeds office. The way ingakhona i-corruption ungathi uhlele endlini uthole indlu yakho seyibizwa omunye umuntu, and then abanye futhi abakhona la ninkinga abanayo isa-related kuzo lezi ndlu lezi. Umuntu ukhona akanayo letter of authority, bamshiye nendlu, akakhona ukuyobhalisa ukuthi i-indigent ngoba akanayo le letter of authority, isabiza umzali osowashona. So inkinga yezindlu inkinga enkulu kakhulu ethembisa. And masikhuluma ngezindlu asikhulumi ngenokhuzana nge-brick and mortar kuphela, sikhuluma nge-generational wealth, ukuthi umcebo lo oyokhona ukushila ngabantwana bakho nabo bashiyela abantwana bakho. Omunye sometimes mayifuna ukuyothola i-loan uqala i-business, ukuthi angifuni ukuhlala ethembisa mina ngithengise le ndlu kababa or kamama and then ngithole imali yokuthi ngiyoqala i-business yami and then ngiyohlala endaweni engcono. So akusindlu nje kuphela yokuhlala, umcebo lo ekumele siushiyela abantwana bethu, but ekutholakala ukuthi ke ngokuthi izinto mhlawumbe siyayiyekelela na ukungazi ukuthi ke i-will uyithola kuphi and uthola kanjani. And kunama-bank, mangakhuluma nje briefly ngama-will, kunama-bank bakutshela ukuthi bazokwenzela i-will for free. There's no free lunch in South Africa, and mangabe uthatha lena ukhulana le free will bazokutshela ukuthi kumele wenze bona i-executor, yibo bazomanage i-state yakho, and then sizokuzwa lapha sebakhuluma ngawo ama-will ukuthi ke, and then bathatha how much percent, I think it's 3.9 or 3%, which is a lot of money. Mangabe indlu yakho 1 million uthatha 3% kulo 1 million, it's a lot of money. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi sizozwa ukuthi senza kanjani ngenokhwezana ngezindlu, especially ama-will, ukuthi ke i-will mawuyibhalele wena ngesandla kuyenzeka sesikhathi ubhale ngesandla ngoba ama-lawyer, i-will ifuna i-lawyer, ama-lawyer asinamali oku-afford ama-lawyer, even i-consultation nje. And then kukhona i-legal aid sibanjwa ukuthi ayikho indlu less than 250,000 la abantu abaqualify ukuthi bathole i-free lawyer. Siyaba-encourage ukuthi ke benze amanokhuzana ama-will, and nokuthi ke noma ngabe kukhona iphephanyana olibhalile, at least kube khona something oyibhalile okwaziwayo ukuthi ke isifiso sakho besithini. Kodwa into ebaleke kakhulu i-will. Ngithi umphakathi mina ake siprotecteni or sivikele izindlu zethu, senza ama-will and sinominate nabantwana bethu or i-letter of authority or executor. Mawunabantwana abawu-5 uthi ukhetha umntwana oyi-1, maye executor lo mntwana akusho ukuthi una lendlu, uye nje oyengamele. Mase kufika isikhathi sokuthi ufuna ithengiswa kumele abize bonke laba abanye abawu-4. So ibalekile leyo nto, i-executor, i-letter of authority ne-will. Siyabonga.